Hello Year 8. Today we're going to be looking at the surface area of rectangular prisms and cubes. Now the surface area of a shape is adding up the area of all the sides of the shape. Now a cube has squares, so it has a square on the front, it would have a square on the back and each of the sides there. So altogether there are 6 squares that are all the same size. So the formula is A equals 6 and S squared, for S squared is our squares. So that's it, surface area of a cube, A equals 6S squared. The surface area of a rectangular prism, in the rectangular prism we have 3 different sized rectangles. This one on the front would be the same as the one on the back. Then you might have the ones on the end. This one on the end will be the same as the one on the other end. And also the one on the top would be the same as the one on the bottom. So they're the 3 different rectangles. So we can't just use B and H for all of our rectangles. We're using L, B, and H for the 3 different side lengths. And these are the 3 different rectangles. LB would be the purple rectangle. LH would be the blue rectangle on the front. And BH is the green one on the end. And we have 2 of each of them. It doesn't matter if you mix up the order as long as you have the 3 different sized rectangles inside that formula. So here we go, question number 1. Find the surface area of these prisms. The first one is a cube, because the only side we have there is these 3 centimeters on that side length. The surface area of a cube is SA for surface area, that's what we use for surface area, equals 6S squared. The side length is 3, so we sub that in. 6 times 3 squared, and then we put that in the calculator, and that makes 54. It's still an area, so it's still centimeters squared. The second shape is a rectangular prism. So this is the longer formula. SA equals 2 lots of LB plus LH plus BH. My 3 different rectangles. So I'm going to say this one's the L, this one's the B, and this one is the H, just so I don't mix things up. So subbing that in, 2 bracket, L times B will be 15 times 12. Then plus, L times H will be 15 times 4. And then plus, base times height will be the 12 times 4. Put that all in your calculator, and you will get 576 centimeters squared. Question C. This is also a rectangular prism. The formula is 2 lots of bracket LB plus LH plus BH. So let's label. We're going to go L, B, and H. If you do them in a different order, you still get the same result. So subbing in 2 lots of L times B will be 2 times 1 plus L times H will be 2 times 3 plus base times height will be 1 times 3, close bracket. Put it in the calculator and it equals 34 centimeters squared. Part D is a cube. The surface area of a cube is 6S squared. The side length is 2, so it'll be 6 times 2 squared. And you can put that in your calculator, which equals 24 centimeters squared. Okay, so cubes and rectangular prisms on page 27 and 28.